Good morning student, welcome back to math for class 12 exercise 5.7 second order derivative. Okay, so first order derivative dy dx and second order derivative d2y upon dx means dy dx of dy dx ddx of dy dx. This is denoted by double derivative. This is also denoted by double derivative of a function. Then y equal to function of x, function of x. The y derivative and this is also y dash. Dash means first derivative. Double dash means second derivative. Clear? So now let question number 1 and y equal to x is cube x square 3x x square plus 3x plus 2. So first derivative differentiate with respect to x. dy dx equal to dy dx of x square and 3x plus 2. Directly derivative 2x ddx plus ddx of 3x into 3 ddx of 0. So this is equal to 2x plus 3, right? And second derivative d2 by dx square. Okay, so dy dx of 2x plus 3. 2 into 1 plus 3 is 0, that is 2 answer. So find d2 by dx square equal to 2 answer. Okay, and question number 5, let y equal to x cube log x derivative dy dx. This is dy dx. So dy dx of x cube log x cube log x. This is two function product rule. So x cube dy dx of log x plus log x dy dx of x cube. This is equal to x cube ddx of log x 1 upon x log x. X cube means 3x square. So this is x square and x square ddx of log x dot 3x square is equal to x square common 1 plus 3 log x. Okay, plus there. This is a dy dx first order derivative, and second order derivative x square dy dx of x square 1 plus 3 log x. So 1 and 2 function is given. The product rule x square dy dx of 1 plus 3 log x plus 1 plus 3 log x and dy dx of x square again dy dx this 0 and 3 dy dx of log x plus 1 plus 3 log x dy dx in 2x. Okay, and that x square 1 is 3 dy dx into 1 upon x plus 2x bracket 1 plus 3 log x. This x 1 power cancel. This is also 3x. This 3x plus 2 1 is 2x plus 2 3 is 6 x log x. This imply 5 or 3 5 to 3 and 2 5x 5x. So then x common 5 plus 6 log x. Clear? Okay. Question number 10. Now let question number 10. This is a very simple question. Can solve. Okay. This is also product rule. Sine log x. Okay. So d by dx differentiate with respect to x. ddx of sine log x. Okay. ddx sine x cos x. Cos x means log x. And ddx of log x by chain rule. Okay. So this cos log x and ddx of log x 1 upon x. This is a dy dx. And d2 by dx square again dy dx of cos 1 upon x cos log x. 1 upon x equal to x inverse cos log x. Product rule x inverse dy dx of cos log x plus cos log x into dy dx of x inverse. This is equal to minus 1 ddx of cos x minus sine log x. Okay, x is equal to log x. Okay, cos. Cos differentiate minus sine log x and ddx of log x 1 upon x. Okay, cos log x ddx of this minus 1 upon x raised to minus 1 minus 2. This is a 1 upon x inverse. This is 1 upon x minus sine log x upon x square minus plus minus cos log x upon x square. This is a dx or d by dx square equal to, taking minus 1 upon x square common, this side sine log x plus cos log x. That's your answer. Okay. And now let question number 12. Important question 12. If y equal to cos inverse x, find d2y dx square in term of y. Okay, y alone. So this y alone tend to is changed to this function. So sine cos inverse or cos y equal to cos inverse x. So cos y equal to x. Differentiate with respect to x. ddx of cos x minus sine y and dy dx ddx of x 1. Okay, so this transfer to right side, dy dx equal to minus 1 upon sine y. This is equal to minus cosec y. This is 1. Again derivative d2y dx square minus ddx of cos x cosec x cosec y. Okay, so this function equal to dd of cosec minus, okay, minus cosec y and cot y, right? And dd dy dx, this is a y function, not a x. Okay, cosec by dy dx of cosec x equal to minus cosec x and cot x, this formula. Okay, so this minus this cotec y and y function dy dx. So d2y dx square equal to minus minus plus cosec y cot y and dy dx from 1 means minus cosec y. Okay, So this value in term of y minus plus minus cosec square y and cot y, right? That's your answer, d2 by dx square, right? Okay, next, now let question number 14. 14 is important question. Question number 14 to 17 are important. 14 to 17 are important. 17. So 14 equal to y equal to important a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx, where you prove that d2 y upon dx square minus bracket m plus n dy dx plus mn y equal to 0. Okay, mn y equal to 0. So find dy dx and d2 by dx, differentiate with respect to x. dy dx a mx plus b e raised to nx. Okay, you can direct derivative. Okay, you can clear now also. So dy this equal to a e raised to d dx of x. This is a x function, this is also x function. Derivative e raised to x सेम ही होता है, m e raised to m and d dx of mx plus b e raised to nx and dy dx of nx. So dy dx equal to d dx of x1 am e raised to mx plus bn e raised to nx. Okay, and d2 y dx square, again am constant, dy dx of e raised to mx plus bn dy dx of e raised to nx. Okay, this am e raised to mx and d dx of m square. This similarly bn square e raised to nx. Okay, this is number 2. Taking LHS, d2 dx square minus m plus n dy dx plus m and y. So d2y this am square e raised to mx, bn square e raised to nx minus m plus n dy dx am e raised to mx plus bn e raised to nx. Bracket close, mn y is a function of a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. Okay, this. Now simplify. This am square e raised to mx, bn square e raised to nx minus plus minus and multiply m in both function, minus plus minus a m square e raised to mx minus plus minus bnm e raised to nx, and again multiply minus n a mn minus n into amn e raised to mx minus minus a bn square e raised to nx and plus mn multiply amn e raised to mx plus bmn e raised to nx. So this cut bn square e raised to x, this cut amn plus amn bmn plus am square is equal to 0, which is a RHS. Prove. Okay, this type question. 14 question and 15 most repeated this question, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now let question number 15. 15 question number 15. Y equal to 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus same this type question. Okay, 7x. Find, prove that dy dx square equal to 49y. Okay, so let this find d2 by dx. dy dx 500 or a constant e raised to x 7x and ddx of 7x dot 7, 600 e raised to minus 7x and ddx of minus 7x minus 7. Okay, so multiply 3500 e raised to 7x minus 4200 e raised to minus 7. This is a dy dx, and again d2 dy dx square 3500 e raised to 7x into 7 minus 4200 e raised to minus 7x ddx of minus 7 is minus 7. So this equal to this 0 0 35 21 to 24. Okay, e raised to 7x minus minus plus 0 0 7 2 is 14 1 7 4 is 28 1 29 e raised to minus 7x. This is a d2 by this. Okay, this function is 1. So prove that d2 dy x square equal to 49y. So let RHS is given. So putting 24500 equal to 7x plus 29400 e raised to minus 7x. This equal to, okay, so this 49 or y is a function 500 e raised to 7x and 600 e raised to minus 7x. This multiply 49 5s are 24500 e raised to 7x, and this 6 0 6 9 is 4 54 or 6 4 is 24 or 4 5 29 e raised to minus 7x. Okay, LHS equal to RHS, right? Prove. This type very small question or simple question, no data question. Next question. Next, now let question number 16. This 16 same type question. E raised to y x plus 1 equal to 1, so that d2y dx square equal to dy dx square. So find e raised to this product rule, dy dx e raised to y x plus 1 equal to dd x of 1. 1 is constant, different product rule. E raised to y dy x plus 1 plus x plus 1 dy dx of e raised to y equal to 0. This e raised to y ddx of x is this 1, this is 0 1. Okay, 1 plus 0. Okay, this x plus 1 and ddx of this to e plus y and dy dx equal to 0. Find dy dx. So dy dx equal to this e raised to y common 1 plus x plus 1 dy dx equal to 0. This factor, so this dy dx equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. And second derivative d2 dy x square equal to this dy dx of minus 1 upon x plus 1. So this change to dy dx x plus 1 raised to minus 1, reciprocal function. This is a simple, this is a product derivative function, but you change in direct to x raised to n type question. Minus this minus x plus 1 raised to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and d dx of x plus 1 by n minus 1, right? So d2 by dx square equal to minus minus plus, or this 1 upon this is equals to 1, x plus 1 square to 1. This is right side, question number 2. And prove कि d2 dx square equal to dy dx whole square. So implies this value equal to 1 plus x plus 1 square equal to dy dx minus 1 upon x plus 1 square. So 1 upon x plus 1 square equal to 1 upon x plus 1 square. Okay, prove. Okay, solve question number, all exercise question, all questions, and if any doubt you can ask to me. Okay, thank you.